Glock 21. Gen 4, brand new, not a scratch. 45 auto. I got my back strap added on to there, as you can see. Got finger grooves for a nice firm grip. Memory pauses. Remember, gun safety. Never put your finger on the trigger unless you're ready to shoot. Got standard Glock sights, They pick up quite easy. I'm not going to say they pick up good, but they're quite usable. Got a 13-round semi-automatic pistol shooting 45 auto, 45 ACP, whatever you want to call it. And for my ammo, I have right now Federal Personal Defense 230 grain jacketed hollow points.